Tuisangana mbe tukunikile mavuo makonetie Ndongoi ya Azimio Raila Odinga niwaweta kana wanakutwika mawia maingi ni Nivinyiie mbesa mbingi itiawaa silikalini Nene valawa miendaje Sya Kaunti ni Sya kwata mbesa undu ulava ilite kithitoni cha kwa ilia udhukumi kwa enendi hainena musini wa Eldoret Kauntini ya Uasin Gishu kavindani kana evikite cha dhini cha Silikali Sya mitiuko. Odinga engini wa mwenda ambassador wa ndhi ya Amerika vandi ya Kenya Meg Whitman evetangane na maundu ma Kenya itina wake kuweta kana usakwani wa mwaka muthelu wa uwo na umelulivo tiumbanitwe ni Weli na Musangi.
Oneni acha thini ki mutongoi wa ngwatanio Azimio Raila Odinga niwaweta kana serikali Sya mitiuko taitethete muno kuthayukia maendeleo icio ni cia ndwani.
We all appreciate devolution. We all want devolution. In some counties, devolution has achieved in 10 years what the national government was never able to achieve in 50 years.
Raila niwaweta kana kwa yailovia kwa serikali isi ya mutiuko takwithitwe kwikumbulitu ni ngusanisyo vala wakule serikali ya kate ikithe kana ngusanisyo ini sya thela na kenda kuikithe kana serikali ini sya thukuma mawia masyo kuimwanenzi.
Instance, funding remains inadequate and its flow uneven and unpredictable. The controller of budget and central bank need to relook at the law. The County Allocation of Revenue Act, CARA, contains a disbursement schedule. And I was sitting next to the former governor, who is now the Minister for Finance, and I told him exactly the same thing. Therefore, the administrative step of Treasury writing a letter to CBK to release funds should not arise. CBK should implement CARA full stop. Bureaucracy at the Office of the Controller of Budget continues to hold back devolution. There's a worrying clash of vision and responsibility between county chief executives and the members of county assemblies.
Watauni waeleza kana serikali isi ya kaunti taitonya ulasimika kuongelanga wosania wa koti kumana na gharama ya meikalile kwithwa iyo luo weta kana serikali ita siaile kuikone na mitalatala ya kuikithe kana muikani makwata mawia ondumana kukitana na ukia.
Across the 47 counties, the wage bill has become uncontrollable and continues to eat into what should go into the development. Even more worrying is the continuing duplication of functions. More money continues to be spent at Afya House, Kilim House, and Maji House in Nairobi for the roles that are devolved. Yani aone kunduli. Years into devolution, this tug of war between the counties and the national government needs to come to an end. In this tug of war, the Commission of Revenue Allocation continues to be ignored, making revenue sharing between national and county governments and among counties uneven and more political than professional. Nyani aone kuduli. Governors have to be practical. You will do well and set examples when you back up your pronouncements with concrete action at the level of policy and practice. I believe that the work that you do, if done well, will with time have a concrete impact on the debate at the national level. This is the time to provide record amounts of assistance to our farmers to enable them save us from the routines of famine, food imports, and food inflation. This is the time for financial inclusion programs and ensure the money reaches the intended recipients. This is the time to work on turning your towns into smart cities of tomorrow, equipped with world-class amenities.
Onene ameatiania na ile na kusiwa matuku mavuthu mavitu Raila niwaweta kana kindu kila kina ina uvitu kanuna mia ni utumi wa vinya mwingi wa mawisa mausesei kuienenzi. Otauni wakuli ambasada wanze ya Amerika va Kenya ikanina kuikonia na maundu ma Kenya uthingilile kana meatianio taya kuna mwenenzi vala walisa kana katiba keo taka kuatikania kuisila meatianio ta na kusiwe.
What is wrong is police brutality. And finally, you want to tell a rogue ambassador, leave Kenyans alone. If maandamano can lead to a dialogue between Ichung'wah and Kalonzo, everything is good with maandamano. Tell the rogue ambassador, Kenya is not the United States. Kenya is not a colony of the United States. Keep your mouth shut when you hear. Otherwise, we will call for your recall back to your country.
Good report ya Mlingwa Mauvu Nilina Musangi.